involved in cloud streaming services and platform and use cases around that. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Krasen Nikolov. I'm CEO and co-founder of QuarkXR, and I'm going to tell you how QuarkXR, Snapdragon Spaces, 5G and edge computing are going to bring XR to the masses. So first of all, to all my German friends, QuarkXR has nothing to do with Quarkspeise. Instead, we're a cloud streaming platform. And recently, NVIDIA named QuarkXR as one of the pioneers in the XR streaming space, which made us very, very proud. And I should also say that we've been collaborating with DT for a while, ever since the first Quest was launched. And with Snapdragon Spaces, our goal in the program was to bring enterprise use cases with stuff like digital twins, complex 3D models, complex virtual environments, and make them available on all mobile devices as a SaaS service. And one of our focus areas is in construction planning, which is a very, very interesting use case for XR. The way this works, for those who watched Martin Liboska talk earlier today, you probably have a good idea, but we have edge servers with powerful GPUs. I like to say those are roughly 10 times more powerful than a Meta Quest, and there we render high fidelity complex content, and with QuarkXR we stream it to mobile devices. And the benefits are several. First of all, no matter how many users you have, how complex is your content, you can have a very scalable solution and onboard everybody very quickly. You get a lot of enterprise features like user management, content management, device management. And thanks to Snapdragon Spaces, we can have the same app version available on many different devices. So that's less developer effort for us, and you can have a uniform user experience, which is very, very important in order to get scalable XR. And when it comes to the use case, which you can check out, construction planning, we're talking about complex BIM model that is very, very difficult to open and operate on mobile devices, but instead in edge servers you can open any 3D model that you want very easily. And let me show you, so this video is about the type of content that we have available on our platform. Currently we have over 30 different enterprise applications in areas also like architecture, automotive, industrial training, and so forth. And because we run on powerful edge GPUs, we have beautiful simulations like that where you have photorealistic graphics with dynamic lighting, and because we stream each frame on the fly, you can have a completely interactive experience which enables many enterprise use cases like training, collaboration, design, and whatnot. And with all that being said, we have a booth outside, we have several showcases. I welcome everyone to come and try them. And more importantly, a lot of you are from different DT organizations or other partners of DT. I'm sure you have use cases for this type of platform, so please let us know what your use cases are, and we're happy to chat. Thank you.